Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. So if a dice is thrown thrice, what is the probability of getting a sum greater than 3? So if here dice is thrown 3 times, and we need to find what is the probability of getting a sum greater than 4. Now, when we are throwing one dice, then we have 6 possible cases, right? So we can get numbers from 1 to 6. So that means when we are throwing the dice 3 times, the total number of cases will be 6 into 6 into 6, or will be equal to 216 cases. Now we need to get the sum as greater than 4, right? So if we have to find probability of sum greater than 4, we can use the concept which is probability of at least something is equal to 1 minus probability of none. So that means probability of sum greater than 4 is equal to 1 minus probability of sum less than equal to 4. Now, if you have to find the sum less than equal to 4, we can write the possible cases. So let's say in the first throw, we got a 1. Second throw, we again got a 1. And third throw also, we got a 1. Similarly, we can have 1, 1, 2 as the case and 1, 2, 1 as another case. When we are getting 2 in the first die, we can get 2, 1, 1 as another case. Now, any other case apart from this will actually have a sum greater than 4. So if the sum has to be less than equal to 4, we only have 4 possible cases. That means probability of sum greater than 4 is equal to 1 minus probability of sum less than equal to 4, which is equal to 4 divided by 216. Now, if we do this, we'll get the value as 212 divided by 216. We can divide both of them by 4 to get the value as 53 by 54. So answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to master the concepts involving probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.